Hi, I'm Asia DeMarcos with Hollywood Beautiful, also known as Beautasia, the world's first superhero of beauty to my online world. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a honey paste for pimples. Do you ever get that one or two pimples on your face and not want to put like a bunch of harsh ingredients on your skin? Well, I'm going to show you how to make a really great, really fast spot treatment using aspirin and honey. So I've already taken an aspirin and crushed it up. You can see here, so you just crush it like that until it turns into a fine paste. So I'm gonna put it here in my bowl. And you can use, I have a clean makeup brush. You can also use your fingers. And so what you wanna do is just add the honey until you make a paste. Aspirin is really great. A lot of people don't know this, but it is full of salicylic acid, and salicylic acid is great for going into the pimple and breaking up the oil and killing the bacteria inside. And honey is antimicrobial, antibacterial, and it's also a humectant. So you're just gonna put it on wherever you see a pimple. And if you're allergic to aspirin, cinnamon will also work. So that's it. You can sleep on it, and then in the morning you'll have a reduced pimple. Thanks for watching. I'm Asia DeMarcos, also known as Beautasia. Have a great day.